What's up, guys? Welcome to your next tutorial. In this tutorial, we're just gonna write a very simple program that's just gonna take the attendance list of students in class. Okay, let's say university student. Okay, so the pro we will just be using the concept of setters and getters. Okay, um, whereby you can use methods to you know set us to set and then get us to get the information. Okay, so let's dive straight into it. Okay, now here's the steps, like let's say the kind of algorithm. So it is not this one actually. Okay, good. So here these are the steps here. These are the steps. So step one says create a package called attendance. Okay, step two, create a class called attendance list inside package. And then step three, create an instance variable inside the query class using the following below, which is what student full name and mat number. So step four, create setters and getters for each of the variables in step three. Note, setters, you can pass variable in each case as a parameter. Getters, you return the variable in each case. So for step five, you have to create a tester class to display the information inside the attendance list. Okay, guys, so let's just dive into it. So now what we will do, we'll go to our source folder. Okay, then go to your source folder and then create your package. So you will right click, go to new, then what package. So the package name is attendance. Okay, so go to your package that you just created and right click on it and go renew. Then create your class. So the class name here is attendance list. Okay, good. So step four, step three, you are asked to create an instance variable. Okay, so I'll just add a comment here. We'll call it field variable. Okay, then I'll give it access specifier of private, keyword private. So I'll call it private string since it is name, private string, full name, private string full name. So right now I'm just declaring the name. And then private double, no, not double, sorry. We can make it an int. If we want, we can still maintain the string. Okay, but we can make it a string, it's okay. Private string, mat number, just mat number. Okay, good. Okay, guys, so those are our two variables. Okay, so what we will do next, we'll create a setter and a getter for each of these two variables. Okay, so I'll start with the name. So I'll call it public void set full name. So inside we are asked to pass the variables as parameter. So I'll just say string full name. Full name. Okay. Then then inside here, I will just make sure that whatever I pass here inside this parameter, whatever value I give it later in the future, it should be stored in the global variable here. So how can I achieve this? I simply call the global variable inside by using this keyword. So I'll say what this dot full name is equals to the full name inside here. Is all you need to do. Then I'll go and create my getter public string. So since the name here is of string, So I'll say public string get full name. Okay. So for that one, you don't have to pass nothing, you just return. So I'll just say what? Return full name. Return this dot full name. Return this dot full name. Yeah, return this dot full name. Okay, so I'm also going to create a setter and a getter for the math number. So I will just come and say I will say public void set math now. Inside, since I am setting, I'm going to pass the math number as a parameter. So I'll just say string math now. Okay, so then here I will initialize my global variable of math number to the math number inside the parentheses here. So I'll just say this dot math now is equals to math now. Yeah. This is all you need to do, guys. This is the only thing you need to do. Okay, this is 4 methods here. Okay, 4 methods. So I'm left with the getter. So I'll just say public string. Since the math number, I give it a type of string. So I should also make sure the method is of type string. String get. So I'm getting it. Get math number. Okay, that one branches must be empty. So here you only return this dot. Return this dot math number. This dot math num. Okay, guys. So this is all you need. Okay, this is all you need. Good. So let me just add here a comment. Set math number method. We'll call it get get full name method here. Let's get full name, and here is get full name method. And then here is what set math number method, and here is get math number method. Good. So now we can go ahead and then create our tester class. So you just go to your package again, which is attendance, right click, new, then add another class. Then you can call it this demo, or list tester. It's okay. It's your class name. So here I will add a main method. So I will say public static void main. Then inside here I will just add my string arguments, then GS, and my method body. So within the method body, I'm going to create an object of the class. So to do that, I can just say attendance. So that's the object. So I will say list is equals to call the constructor, which is the default constructor. Okay, new attendance list. Okay, every class must has a constructor, like it must has a default constructor. Okay, that is in Java. So that's why all the time you will see this new. Okay, good. So now, I want to get the list of 5 students. Let me comment here. So here, set the list of 5 students. Let's say 5 students. Or let me see how much. 8 students. Let me use 8. Okay, 8 students. I'm going to use 8 students. Okay, good. So now I'm going to set it. So to set it, I'm going to use, my object variable, which is list here. So I'll just call it list. Then if I say dot, it is going to give me access to all the information coming from the attendance list class. So the full name is here. So that's what I need. I'll just call Kadiso. Okay, then for Kadiso, I'll also get the list dot set mart number. So I'll get the mart number for Kadiso. So the mart number, I'll just call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 is okay. Okay, so for Kadiso, I'm going to print that one. So I'm going to get it and then print it. Okay, so I'll just add my print statement. Okay, so copy this, paste it. Paste it maybe how many times? Maybe 2 times only. Okay, so the first one here I can say student attendance list. Okay, then I have to add another one here. Okay, then that one I'm just gonna add something cool, which is probably, just to design it. Yeah, something like that. So I'll make sure that I will add a tab key here. So \t, meaning I want to, to add a tab here. And then I will add a tab here. Then here, I'm going to print this, so I will add a tab. Okay, here, I will say what? Full name. Then I will add a tab key. Okay, then mart number. Okay, so in my print, next one, I'll just add. Then here I can say, I can just add the names now. So let me just add a tab here, 2 tabs. So T, okay, /T. So that's my tab. So I'll concatenate it with list dot get full name. Okay, and I will also concatenate that with another tab key. Okay, so I'll just say /T. Okay, then I'll concatenate it with the mart number. So I'll just say list dot get mart number. Yes, so this is good. Okay, so let's print and see how it is working first. Then we can do some little adjustment. So I'm just going to run the class. Okay, good. So you can see how it is posting, which is good. I really like this. Okay, so meaning, wait, there's something that I want to add. You can see the full name is displaying. So before the full name, I want to add maybe another line here. Yeah, another dash. Now all these things just to make it look more beautiful, more presentable. Okay, so you can see that, right? You can see that. Okay, so it look more beautiful. So I can have full name then I can have yeah, this is good, guys. This is good. Yeah, so let me just do I need to add another thing here? Probably. Let's see. I can't do that. Okay, guys, so this is good. Okay, so now the next step is, now let's say now we wanted to add, another student. Let's say probably we wanted to add, you know, as many students as we want. All we have to do is to create more objects of the class. Okay, you are allowed to create as many objects as possible. So I'll call this one, list 2. Then this one now will be list 1 because that was my first student. Yeah, list 1, my first student. Good. So now what I will do, let's say I will keep on adding list 1, list 2. Okay, you can add as many, you can create as many objects as you want. Okay, list 4. Yeah, you can create as many objects as you want. Then I will come here, then I will set for another student, maybe the one with object 2. So I'll call object 2. Okay, object 2, then I will set, so let's say this one is Adamaso. Okay, and then the mart number is 1123. Then I will add another student with object of using object of list 3. Then this one I will call it GN2, and then this one will be 1224. Okay, then I will add another list. I'll add another list. Yeah, which is probably the one I will use object 4. Object 4. So now since I have set for 4 students, I can now go and get the same thing. I will just come here, copy that line of code and paste it 4 times, and then come here, this one, the second one here, this one on line 30, and just to list 2. That one will take it, will get the name for me in object 2. Okay, list 3, list 4, list 4. Okay, guys, so this is it. So as you can see, I was able to create as many objects as I can. I can create up to 100 objects, and then use those objects each time. Each object I can set something. Okay, using the same method. So these why methods are very, very important in programming, because you can write it once and call it anytime you want to call it. Write once, call it anytime you want to call it. Okay, so I can use this method also 100 times. Okay, good. So let's run this and see how it look. Good, guys. So you can see how the program is, right? I was able to get 4 students. I could have added, another student, which is a 5th student. All I have to do is just I will come here, copy this, paste it, and then call it student number 5. Then come again, add a setter for student number 5. Okay, so the student number 5 here, I will call it Mary Jean, and the mart number will be 2, 2, 3, 4. And then this one I will call it Messi Joe, you know, funny names. Then this one I'll call it 1, 1, 2, 1. Yeah, 1, 2, 1, 3. Yeah, this is good, guys. Okay, so you can just go ahead and then you run the program. Yeah, so you can see that, right? Sorry, the last one did not come because I did not get it yet. So let me get it down here. Just go and print this. So I'll change this one to 5. 5. Good. So let's run it again. It is empty. Let's see what. Okay, good. It is empty because of, you know, we did not set it. Okay, we did not set it. So let's go and run it again. Okay, guys. So you can see that, right? You can see that you can add as many. You can add as many students as you want. All you have to do is to create a new object for it. New object all the time, and then call it many times, or call it, you know, set it and then get it. Okay, guys. So hopefully this will be helpful to you, and you know, so I will stop here with you guys. So please don't forget to like, comment, and then subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. Thank you and have a great day.